My favorite road is BX. Uh, he has a bookshelf body, two arms, big eyes, and move on well. His main parts are a compactor, a solar panel, and a screen to show his feeling. Uh, uh, his job is to clean the ears by picking up garbage and turning it into small cube. He works hard every day to help make the blade clean. I like it because he's cute, friendly, and kind. Even though he's a robot, he has feeling and care about others, especially his friend. Be